I cannot open the function, it's not good. Or anyone have a good connection, then I use your laptop here. I try to open Google Chrome. This is how we define a function. So later on, when you want to calculate f of 3, for example, you can just call the function f3 or f2. If anyone can open Google Colab, can I borrow one laptop so that I can show you? Can I? Your function name, let's say f, yeah, because our function name is f, and then the input in parentheses. The input is x, and then okay, make sure we have extensions like this. So our functions will be defined here. We'll use f, or you can use another. Okay, it is x to the power of 3 plus 4 times x
squared
power of 2
minus 10.
minus 10. Okay, and then we'll return f. We'll return f means our output is f. Okay, we run this, and then let's say you're looking for f 0. F 0 is minus 10. That, yeah. Like you are looking for f 2. F2 is 14, right? Is that correct? Okay, you can check here, yeah, or you can also check it here. It's up to you, just to make it clean, look clean. So F2 is 14. If you look at for F1, for example, to run it is shift enter. Okay, if you want to go to the next line, you can just enter. To run the code, to run the script, shift enter. Okay. Okay, yeah. So our function defined well. Okay, so our function is correct. Now the next step, if you check, you can check the algorithm, yeah. The algorithm said that we need to input A and B first. Yeah. Later on, we'll find A and B automatically. But in this case, let us find it. Let us define it. So we have A is 0 at first, yeah, and then B is 2. Okay, A0, B is 2. And what is the formula of P?
A.
Let us define it. A is 0, B is 2, and then you can check, yeah. You can we'll set up step 1. Step 1, set I equals 1. Okay, you can check in the algorithm set I equals 1. So I'll set here I equals 1. Okay, and then calculate FA. So FA is FA. Because we define F f already, so you can just directly write f(a). It will directly call this function out. Okay, next while. Okay, and then we have while. Okay, you have to set up your m0 as well. M0 is the maximum iteration. Let us set up 25 here. Okay, because in while we need a stop conditions here. So while I less than or equals to n0. Okay.
Okay.
This here. So while this condition called, what happened? We can write the conditions here. The first one is set P, define P as A plus B minus A over 2. Okay? And then we'll check. And then we'll calculate FP. FP equals FP. Okay? And after that, we'll check if FP, okay, equals, equivalent conditional in Python using double equals here. So if FP equals 0 or B minus A divided by 2 less than tolerance. Okay, so you need to set up tolerance as well here. Tolerance is 0.1. Then what happened? Okay, just bring it. Bring solution is I forgot to spell it. Okay, green solution is B, and then break. Okay, break use to stop this iteration. Break here used to stop the iteration. Yeah, if this halt, then break, stop. You don't need to go to the next iteration. Otherwise, okay, before I okay, we update the I as I plus 1, or you can use this notation as well. Okay, so all I added by 1, or I equals I plus 1, also the same here, same with this. Okay, and we check if FA times is 1.3125 for iteration 5, yeah, we stop in iteration 5. If we increase the tolerance 0.001, we stop in 11 iteration and the result is 1.36. Okay. And if you have different function, then what you need to change is only this. Okay, and also your A and B. Okay, let us check your answer. What is the second function? Exponent of
Exponent of x
minus x
squared
plus 3x
minus 2.
We need numpy for exponential function, so I input numpy. F is np dot x. So b, if I'm not mistaken, let's check it out. X minus x squared plus 3 times x minus 2. What is the interval 0 to? What is the tolerance? 10 to the power of minus 10, yeah? Minus 5. You go with in 17 iteration 0.25. For some mathematical function, we need numpy and sometimes we need math library. Numpy and math. Mostly numpy. Okay. Let's say because you got the answer at 17 iterations, right? If I limit the maximum iterations to 10, then the answer will be no solution. 11. Then no solution. The answer will be no solution. Or yeah. Or you can make it same, then you can. Is this the same if I use this here? No solution because I said the maximum iteration is 10. If I said iteration is 15, the answer will be the same. That is no solution, yeah. No solutions. Unless I set up this 17, yeah. No solutions. Okay? Clear, yeah? So then if the condition then in Python, if condition and then is this, yeah. double colon. Jadi 2. If you check the algorithm and this is actually perfectly same as the algorithm, just different way to write it. This is Python style, that one is the general algorithm. But sometimes algorithm given, but we need to modify it. We need to modify when we want to use another language to write it. Okay, yeah. Do you have any questions? Okay. Besides the simulation, you need to understand the manual calculations. Okay? Like, I will not ask you to repeat it like 10 times, but at least in small iteration, like 3 iteration, you know how to count it manually. If you got an error, got an error? Okay. Then there's not the one because you, yeah. Okay, Python is case sensitive. So if you use capital P, then stay with capital P. Okay? Different with Excel. Excel not case sensitive. Python is case sensitive. Big P and small p are different. Because less than, the error connects that it is for float.